Hi Drastic Cuties! Today we're going to draw Lisa from BlackPink. So let's get started. To draw Lisa, we're going to first start by drawing a deep curve for her face. So I'm going to start right here. And I'm just going to go right across, right here. Not too wide, and just going to draw a deep curve. There, so we have a nice bottom of a U, and from there, bring this up a little bit more. From there, I'm going to go ahead and draw her eyes right here. So on the edge right here, I'm going to draw a circle. And same thing on this side, right towards the edge. There, so then let's make them draw so cute eyes. I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So thank you so much, Draw So Cute fans, for introducing me to this K-pop band, BlackPink. And I love listening to their song right here. So same thing on this side. My favorite one so far is that one. I think it's called Duru Duru Duru. I hope I'm saying that right. And the lines at the bottom. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to come down right here and I'm going to draw her lashes. So I'm coming down and thicken it up, and another one. So same thing on this side. So I'm just going to lower the lashes and another one. There. And then let's come in the center right here and give her a sweet smile and cap it off. Okay, so then we're going to come right here because she has her signature bangs. So I'm going to come right across and draw her bangs. I'm going to basically come right here, cut it off right next to the eye. And here and there I'm going to break it up right next to her eye. And come right back down. And then right here I'm just going to give the indication of her bangs. So just go up a little bit. And then we're going to come to the center. So center, go all the way up, say about right here. And from here I'm going to dip it down right here and start going up a little bit and up a little bit on both sides and start to bring it down a curve. So I'm going to come really close to this part right here. So same thing on this side. Just bring it really close to her bangs. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the rest of her body before I finish off her, her hair. Oh, and I almost forgot, just a tiny indication of her brow, if you can, right here. There. Okay, so then let's come to right here in the center and give her her neck right here. So I'm going to come right here. Very small little line for her neck, and I'm going to add a little choker, so thicken this part up a little bit. I'm just going to shade that in because it's a black choker, and then from there come down, draw her shoulders, and then let's connect it right here for her collar. And then I'm going to imagine her armpits about right here on both sides. And I'm just going to draw 2 angle lines down. So hopefully you guys love this outfit I'm giving her. It was just so hard trying to figure out to choose from all her outfits. So I think she tends to like to wear these short cut off shirts right here. So I'm going to come in here, draw a sleeve. It's a little bit longer sleeve. Connect it. She likes to show her waist. So right there, connect it. So bring this down a tiny bit more. And in this area right here, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a wave. Just to give her shirt a little flare. And I'm going to continue her waist down. So right here, I'll come in a little bit. And then connect it for her beginning of her skirt. And let's see here. So let's give her skirt right here a little band. And then connect it. And then flare it out. And then let's come back in here and we're just going to connect it all the way across. There. And then you can come in here. Okay, so then to draw her arms, I'm just going to have them kind of behind her. So in this area, just imagine her shoulders coming down to about right here. We're going to bend it a little bit. And then tuck them in. Just makes it a little bit easier to draw. Then I have to draw her fingers. So same thing over here, but right there, and then tuck it in. Just give it a little bend, tuck it in, and then her legs. So I'm going to come in this area towards the center once again, and draw 2 angle lines. Right here. I'm going to bring it down a little bit more. So I'm going to cut it off. First layer is going to be her socks that I'm giving her. So I'm just going to pop it out a little bit, but I'm continuing this angle all the way down on both sides. And then right there, I'm going to cut it off for her boots. So I'm just start to draw her boots. Okay, so then now I'm gonna make sure I don't have enough. I have enough room right there. Flare it out. And flare it out and connect. So same thing on this side. And let's come in here, some details. So this is the sides of the boots and then the laces. There. Whew. Okay, and then let's give her socks here stripe. Amazing outfits they wear, right? Okay, so then she also has a little garter belt right here, so I'm just going to right under her skirt. I'm going to pop it out. And just shade it in. Okay, so then now let's draw the rest of her hair. So it's just straight hair. I'm just going to bring it in, give it a slight curve, come out a little bit maybe. Maybe give it a little flare here and there. And just tuck it back in here. there. Okay, so then I'm gonna switch to a thinner Sharpie just to draw some little details because my Sharpie is getting a little too thick. So I'm just changing to an ultra fine point. And of course, because it's my Draw So Cute Lisa from BlackPink, we give her a heart on her shirt. And right here, I'm gonna give her some fishnet stockings. So I'm just gonna draw some curves and crisscross it. So same thing here. Just random, don't worry about it too much. So okay, and then if you want it, I'm gonna add a little chain right here that I see some of her outfits have. So I'm just gonna add a little circle right there. If you want, you can add this chain right here that comes right across just to add some bling to her skirt. And one more. And then when you're coloring her skirt, you can make it checkered. And if you want, you can add a little belly button right there. And that is pretty much it for my version of Lisa from BlackPink. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.